Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use GIF image in Android. So let's start from opening the keyboard, and now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open your keyboard and click on the GIF file. Now choose the search and look for something that you want to send with a GIF file. Now you can just tap on it, and this is the way how you can send it. If you see any GIF file that you like in the web, you can download it to your storage. So let's find something. Like this one. Now you can just hold the finger on it and choose download image. Now you can send it to anyone from your phone storage. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.